Welcome to a video by Abron Eng. This is a study of momentum, that when a wheel is rotated, it will create a momentum. When this reaches you, these are the two handles which you have to just tight it from both the sides. One we have already done, second you have to do it and tight it. Very easy. And then reaches you in the packing, you have to take it out. And then the experiment says, when you rotate this, if you rotate it fast, then this is going to, you can hold it in any way, but this resists your movement like this. And if you are changing, it is going to resist. You can keep it in any position, but if you keep it, it will fall like this. But if it is moving, then it does not fall. You can just hold it by a small button or just like this. It's very easy, it does not fall. You can see them, it is resisting movement. You have to hold it with a strong movement and change the hand like this. So the momentum is created because of the weight. This, if you are sitting on a wheel which is chair, which is having frictionless, you can rotate it and move it along with the chair. The momentum is visible by this. So please see this, very easy. This is a solid wheel, and we have a bigger wheel also, smaller wheel. It's easy to rotate and easy to move over. So this is a physics experiment, study of momentum, and we have the website abron01@gmail.com is our email. Abron Exports is our website. WhatsApp number is 94160-20018. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you very much.